this is Catherine from Accelerated Reader. Today I will be reading a book request from C. Carvagelis, Bubble Trouble Ghost by Janet Craig. Look at Gus. Gus has goodies. He has lots and lots of trick-or-treat goodies. What is this? A trick or treat? It is round. It is blue. Pop it in, chew and chew. Bubble gum! Gooey chewy bubble gum. I like gum, says Gus. Gus chews and chews. He blows and blows and blows and blows. Stop, Gus, stop! Pop! Now that is bubble trouble. Does that stop Gus? No. What is this? A trick or a treat? It is round. It is red. Pop it in. Chew and chew. Bubble gum! Gooey chewy bubble gum! I like gum, says Gus. He chews and chews. He blows and blows. And blows and blows. Pop! Stop, Gus, stop! Now that is bubble trouble. Does that stop Gus? I like gum, says Gus. Red gum, green gum, orange gum, blue. Pop it in. Chew, chew, chew. Gus chews and chews. He blows and blows. And blows and blows. Pop! Look at you now, Gus. Red gum, green gum, orange gum, blue. Gooey chewy bubble gum all over you. Does that stop Gus? Yes. And that is the end of bubble trouble. Trick or treat. The end. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what books you'd like for me to read next. As always, thank you for listening.